Welcome to High Access, where financial independence meets practical strategies. I'm thrilled to dive into today's topic, passive income. If you've been following our journey, you know that it's not just a buzzword but a game changer for achieving financial freedom. Picture this, a whopping $150,000 in the past month alone, all thanks to the power of passive income. Today, we're not just sharing success stories, we're handing you the keys to unlock your own financial potential. In this video, we're breaking down 5 passive income ideas that have the potential to fill your pockets with an impressive $10,000 a month in 2024. And the best part, we're not just stopping at the ideas, we'll guide you through each step, ensuring you have a clear roadmap to kickstart your passive income journey. So buckle up and get ready to turn your financial dreams into reality. Let's explore the world of passive income together, right here on High Access. The king of the hill, YouTube. Today, we're delving into the golden realm of passive income with our first treasure chest, YouTube. Picture this, a treasure trove of opportunities that can fill your pockets with substantial gains. Let's explore the steps to unlock the wealth hidden within the world's largest video sharing platform. Firstly, it's crucial to identify your niche, the key to attracting a dedicated audience. Dive into topics that not only pique your interest but also have the potential to captivate viewers. Next up, the backbone of your YouTube success is quality content. Leveraging tools like ChatGPT for script writing and AI voiceovers from 11 Labs can elevate your video production game. Now, let's talk about visibility. Learning SEO strategies is like having a treasure map for your content. Optimize your videos to make them easily discoverable in the vast YouTube ocean. Time to turn your passion into profits. Monetize your channel by enabling features like ads and memberships. But why stop there? Supercharge your income by promoting affiliate products relevant to your niche. It's like having a crew of allies helping you on your journey. Here's a savvy trick for the more discreet buccaneers out there. Consider starting a faceless YouTube channel if showing your face just isn't your style. Embrace the anonymity while still reaping the rewards. Need cinematic flair? Utilize stock footage from platforms like Pexels and DaVinci Resolve for seamless video editing. Now your content is not just informative, but visually stunning. So whether you're an aspiring content creator or a seasoned YouTube adventurer, these steps are your map to navigating the seas of passive income. Ready to unearth your YouTube treasures? Stay tuned for more financial gems right here on High Access. Affiliate marketing. The art of turning clicks into a cash extravaganza. This is the magic of affiliate marketing. Let's decipher the steps to unlock this treasure trove and pave your way to substantial income. First off, we're diving into the niche selection process. Choose a niche that aligns with your passions and allows you to wholeheartedly promote products you believe in. Now envision yourself as the advocate of these products and you're on the right track. Next, it's time to join the affiliate programs, the gateway to your financial oasis. Sign up for programs that resonate with you, where you can genuinely vouch for the products or services you're promoting. Think of it as curating a collection of treasures for your audience. Let's talk about content creation. Utilizing free traffic sources like YouTube and Instagram to weave engaging narratives around the products you're promoting. Make your audience not just see, but feel the value. Now here's where the adventure gets thrilling. Experiment with paid traffic if your budget allows. Platforms like YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram can catapult your affiliate game to new heights. Imagine your content reaching a broader audience like a financial wildfire. But, my savvy investors, the key lies in optimization. Analyze results, fine tune your strategy, and watch the magic happen. It's not just about making money, it's about scaling up your efforts for that financial crescendo. Here's a tip for the trendsetters: consider TikTok as a complementary source of free traffic. Embrace the short form content revolution on YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels. It's all about adapting to the ever evolving landscape of social media. But hey, before you click away, we want to hear from you. What's your favorite passive income idea among the ones we've already explored today? Or do you have a unique approach that's been working wonders for you? Drop your thoughts in the comment section below. We would love to hear your success stories, and who knows, your insights might just be the key or that spark that ignites someone else's financial journey. So don't be shy. Share your thoughts, ideas, or even your favorite emoji. Your input makes this community vibrant, and your experiences might just be the encouragement someone else needs to get started today. Now go ahead, hit that comment section, and let's keep the conversation rolling. Building software without code. Welcome to the realm of no-code software, the modern-day alchemy of turning ideas into significant recurring revenue. Let's unfold the steps to embark on this tech-savvy journey. But how do we go about earning with this? First things first, identify a problem. Every successful software solution begins with addressing a real-world issue. Once you've found your puzzle to solve, you're on your way to becoming a digital problem solver. Now, let's break the chains of traditional coding. Dive into the world of no-code platforms like Bubble.io. Your ticket to crafting software without drowning in lines of code. It's like having a magical wand for your digital ambitions. The fun part begins. Creating and testing your software. Bring your concept to life, test it in the wild, and collect that pressure user feedback. It's not just about creating software, it's about creating solutions that users love. Here's where the magic happens. Monetize your creation. Implement a subscription model for that sweet recurring revenue. Picture it like a digital goldmine with streams of income flowing in effortlessly. Once you've hit that sweet spot of success, think bigger. Scale up your empire by either expanding your current software or venturing into creating additional products. It's all about turning a single spark into a blazing digital success. For those seeking a helping hand on this code-free adventure, YouTube tutorials are your trusty sidekick. Dive into the vast pool of online wisdom and let the experts guide you through the realms of no-code platforms. Earn with interests. This one is probably the easiest of them all. Picture this, your funds growing effortlessly while you sip your favorite brew. Mine happens to be Coke. The first step in this royal expedition is research. Seek out reputable banks offering high-yield savings accounts, the gatekeepers to your financial kingdom. Once you've identified the royal custodians of your wealth, it's time to open an account. Complete the necessary steps. Think of it as getting your golden ticket to the treasury or the key to unlock that vault. Your money is now officially on the path to royalty. With your account set up, it's time for the grand entrance. Deposit your excess cash into the high-yield savings account, where it can bask in the glory of higher interest rates compared to traditional accounts. It's like giving your money the royal treatment it deserves. Now here's the magical part. Monitor and reinvest. Keep a keen eye on the interest earned. It's the tribute your money brings back to your coffers. Consider the wise move of reinvesting or withdrawing as needed. Your wealth, your rules. A word of wisdom for our financial nobility. Ensure that the chosen bank account is FDIC insured. It's like having a protective shield around your financial castle, ensuring your treasures are safe and sound. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a financial beginner, these steps are your royal decree to wealth without the headaches. Ready to watch your money flourish in the kingdom of high yield savings? Stay tuned for more financial wisdom right here on High Access. Willing to take more risk? Try investing instead. This one is a bit of a maze to travel, but education is your compass. Dive into the vast sea of investment options, from the steady waters of index funds to the dynamic currents of ETFs and dividend stocks. Knowledge is your ship, and it's time to chart a course to financial mastery. Now let's talk strategy. Diversify your portfolio. Spread your investments like a wise captain navigating through uncharted waters. Balance is the key to weathering any financial storm that may come your way. Begin with an amount that won't rock your boat. As you set sail, regularly monitor and adjust your sails based on market conditions. Flexibility is your ally in this ever-changing sea. Consider diving into the depths of dividend investing. Explore companies with generous dividend payouts, allowing you to reap the rewards while your ship continues its voyage. It's like discovering hidden treasures within the market. A piece of wisdom for our fellow explorers. Focus on building a stable income through other passive sources before diving headfirst into the investment seas. A sturdy ship withstands the roughest waves. And for those seeking a financial compass, consult with a wise financial advisor. Their expertise can guide you through the nuances of the market and help you avoid treacherous waters. Remember, this odyssey requires dedication, continuous learning, and strategic planning. Choose the paths that align with your interests and skills. Diversify your passive income streams and let the winds of financial fortune carry you to new horizons. As our journey through the seas of financial abundance comes to a close, we hope you found inspiration and actionable insight to propel you towards your own high excess of success. Whether you're diving into the realm of passive income through YouTube, affiliate marketing, no-code software, high-yield savings, or the adventurous world of investing, remember that your financial odyssey is uniquely yours. High Excess is more than just a channel. It's a community of like-minded individuals seeking financial independence and prosperity. If you've enjoyed our content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Join the High Access family where we navigate the waters of wealth creation together. We're committed to bringing you more valuable insights, expert interviews, and practical tips to fuel your journey. So stay tuned for our upcoming videos and feel free to share your thoughts and ideas in the comments below. Remember, your financial success is our mission. Thank you for being part of the High Access community. Until next time, keep dreaming big, aiming high, and turning those dreams into your financial reality. Wishing you abundance, prosperity, and the high access lifestyle you deserve. Cheers to your financial journey.